Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your EARFUN Free Pro 3 too quiet? Firstly, maybe you need to clean the grill. You need to remove ear tips from your earbuds. And right here we have the grill, so slightly clean it with a brush, or if you haven't cleaned tool you can use a toothbrush. By the way, at this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. Now, maybe the problem is that your earbuds just too old, and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one earbud, I have solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change sound balance, audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on iOS, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what's located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. Right here you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for the right earbud. And it's the same for the right, you just move the dot to the right, we just increase the volume for the right but lower it for the left, and again you need to find a good balance here. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open Settings. Then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, Accessibility. Right here we need to again scroll down, and at the bottom we will find Audio Adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, we just increase the volume for the right but lower it for the left, and you need to find a good balance, so you need to move this dot and test it. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. And it's the same for the left. If you have the problem with the left, just move this dot to the left, again you need to find a good balance, and we increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!